I really think that workspaces will undergo a major change in the coming month.
Everybody will find a new median for their way of working. Hey, good morning.
Hi, Sammy. Good morning. How are you?
All good, all good. I've been
Good
busy
to see
few
you.
days.
Doing what? We didn't have any thought discussions. Sorry.
And today's topic of discussion is, Santa?
Today's topic of discussion
Yes.
is post-lockdown realignment of office spaces.
आजकल सबकी यही बारी है.
So, Sammy, we had a very busy last week preparing 75 pages of a report of how office spaces will look post-lockdown.
Yes, quite an extensive report we did.
And I think some very good things to look at. So you obviously know that the report was divided in two parts. Every office space, how it is going to look post-lockdown. 15 days to 1 month from now was divided in two parts. First was the physical changes that the office space will need. And second, all the technological interventions that we will be needing.
So let's start with the point number one. That was realignment of office spaces.
Now, social distancing, we thought when you're working, you're at an elbow's distance with your next person. So we thought, why not introduce something which is known as W seating? So you leave alternate workstations empty beside you and maybe in front of you. So it's a W seating. So you automatically have a great social distancing maintained in the current office space.
So just to explain to the viewers that this is with the presumption that people will be 50% work from home.
Yes, exactly. So exactly what happens to all the missing people? They are doing their work from home. And the people who come to office, chutti. So the people who are working in office will be working in a W formation. First funda of COVID complied social distancing.
Then there were very ingenious solutions that we had proposed in our report, that we had done these markers around the table which do a physical kind of marking of how space is going to be showing up on the screen right now. हम लोगों ने circular formation किया था on the floor so that people know that this is your area.
And in an office, if you go to a public place like a cafeteria or something, then of course we were suggesting of how people can use the cafeteria instead of for 1 hour duration, maybe for 2-3 hours they can be given slots, so fewer people can come in. A table that used to sit 6 people can be now used to seat 4 people, so automatically maintaining social distancing.
So basically phase wise spreading of your lunch hours. One more solution that we had proposed, which is concerning the fact that the companies which cannot afford a 50% work from home, where we had proposed a increase in the height of the partitions, so that at least the transmission of jo bhi aapke particulate and sneezing and everything has a lesser travel distance.
Everybody will be mandated to wear masks and gloves and goggles and all of that. But this is an extra added precaution that if your partitions can go above a certain height, it prevents the particulates from flying across.
It will be a big problem for me, but wearing masks, I'll be able to talk less with you.
It will be good for other people who will get to see less of you.
So these are points which we are discussing are all doable points which are like easy to do for everybody.
Immediate, easy to do, exactly.
So उसमें से एक point था changing in materials of certain stuff. हम लोगों ने immediately ये कहा था कि whoever is using cheap quality carpets, which they are like just carpets but they have absolutely no antimicrobial finishes, और हम लोगों ने ये सोचा था कि less absorbent surfaces in a way across the office, like in your upholstery or whatever, like leather, PU leather and all, replacing all the normal fabrics with that. There was another point that you had written so nicely because you love plants.
No. So plants, of course, they cannot take away bacteria and viruses from the air, but they can clean up the air by taking away the toxins from the air. Just going back to your point about the meeting rooms and all that, there is a large change that we suggested, that all surfaces now, even at the cost of maybe hampering the acoustics, have to be easy to maintain or easy to be sanitized. So it is better and preferred to go in for hard materials.
What we basically now foresee is that a lot of companies will be more averse to having meetings,
Correct.
So they will be meeting averse. So collaborative spaces in a way are also a impossibility for the coming few months. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा office भी restructure होगा. People will be more accepting of working from home now.
True. People will get more used to working from home, but people like us who have to meet or who have to go for sites, they will need to come to
It
office.
is very industry specific. I agree with you. मतलब कुछ
Correct.
industries हैं जैसे IT है वहाँ पे तो कोई problem नहीं है, but industries like us which need a lot of interaction can't avoid it.
I think in office restructuring, more than the physical barriers that we would be creating, the most important thing to discuss is your ventilation systems.
सबसे ज़्यादा वायरस फैलने का chances is through the return airs. हम लोगों ने propose किया था कि the HVAC systems really need to be looked into carefully. What we have integrated is one is ionizers to cut off zones. कि मतलब हर zone in the office is cut off from the other zone by ionizers so that एक तो particulate matter is all absorbed there. और दूसरा हम लोगों ने बोला था कि the recirculation of air, basically हमने जो cycle of fresh air intake है वो increase करना पड़ेगा so that there is more fresh air gotten from outside.
There were so many ideas that had come in from papers written by ISHRE.
So this is primarily for the fact that jidhar air conditioning systems is duct based, the huge offices. Coming to the next topic is probability of transmission is higher if you are touching things. So how we'll make a touchless office?
So most offices, have biometric accesses. We were suggesting to not use a thumb, promoting card displays, having sensor-based soap dispensers in the washroom, sensor-based, flushing for the WCs, urinals, tissue papers, everywhere, even the dustbins, So as much as touch that is reduced, even you don't need to hold the door knob of a toilet. There is a different hardware that comes in where you can just pull the door with your foot. So as they said, virus spreads through touching of door knobs especially. So removing reducing the touch surfaces as much as possible in an office space. Then we looked at the surfaces jahan hame physical touch zaruri hai, like a lift button. What do we do then? So if you enter into a lift, how do we, everybody was saying, okay, only 4 people will enter into a lift. But then how do we stop people or inculcate that habit in the minds of the people that more than 4 cannot enter into a certain place? So this is where the technological interventions came in. I mean, you can keep on telling people, but then if technology steps in and then can help you in doing these things, it's great. So some of those technological interventions were very interesting. Those were app-based.
We will just go over it on a superficial level पे जाते
हैं, ज़्यादा
in depth था वो तो that what we had done in the report. But एक basic system हम लोगों ने design किया था कि there are 2 types of travelers in the office. One is your regular guys who are the office staff. Second is those are controlled. Those are controllable. You can give directives, control their movement. The second one is the ones who cannot be trained. They are your visitors. तो हम लोगों ने apart from employee management system, हम लोगों ने visitor management system भी किया था, where the passes to enter are going to be virtual on your phones with via QR codes and everything.
Basically, sorry, if the QR code is shown, then the lift you don't need to touch buttons. It will automatically stop at the floor that you want to stop at. And also the lift, because the lift knows that now 4 people have entered into the lift cabin. So it will give us, like an alarm where if the 5th person just cannot get it.
Facial recognition is something that we had also looked into.
Right? Technology can be actually very, very interesting. I mean, if companies can afford, if there are larger companies and if they can afford, most of the companies have their own apps. If they can have an app which can actually monitor whether the employee is coming in from a red zone, then that employee will be told to stay at home. Or if a visitor is coming in from a red zone and it can be picked up, then even that visitor will be told to stay in a certain area and not go through the entire office.
For larger corporates, हम लोगों ने app में एक point हम लोग बताना भूल गए actually, was that it was going to be an involuntary broadcasting device. Involuntary is that the company sends a message on the switchboard and whether you like it or not, it's popping up on your screen. So it's a good broadcasting system for your employees and everybody.
Continuously reiterating the do's and the don'ts actually burns into people's minds.
It should be like a proximity scanner. कि अगर 4 लोग एक confined space में साथ में है तो it'll start beeping on the phone and alert आना चालू हो जाएगा. It is automatically a deterrent for people to actually congregate. लोगों ने location based tracking भी propose किया था कि जहाँ पे तुम red zone, orange zone में, उसमें बस एक ही problem है, people might just have problem with the privacy, I think so.
the employee will have the company sign an undertaking that his location movements will not be shared with his or her spouses.
That's an important directive, I think so. That should be included in the report. Basically, risk aversion policy इस्तेमाल करनी पड़ेगी.
So we had also suggested a fixed circulation path. So people just move in one direction, a unidirection. So you do not cross each other.
Bigger offices में हम लोगों ने actually crowd control का भी propose किया था. The people who do studies of all the big gatherings or exhibition spaces, जो and algorithm and stuff like that we had proposed. बाकी देख हम लोगों ने health risk assessment वगैरह में travel restrictions वगैरह ये सब तो बहुत ही obvious है. Everybody will anyways know, so we'll not even touch that. Coming to technology integration, हम लोगों ने एक बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट देखा था कि हम लोगों ने रियलाइज किया था कि हॉट डेस्किंग बहुत बढ़ जाएगी, जो कि हम लोगों ने पिछले टॉपिक में कवर किया था ऑफ टॉट कि हॉट डेस्किंग विल बी अ रियलिटी नाउ. मोबाइल फोन शुड बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ योर ईपीबीएक्स सिस्टम. हम लोगों ने ये भी डिसाइड किया था कि एनीबडी वॉकिंग इनटू द ऑफिस ऑटोमेटिकली उसका मोबाइल फोन इज इटसेल्फ द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ हिज बेसिकली इट्स लाइक अ डेस्क एक्सटेंशन, सो ही कैन सिट वेयरएवर इन द बिल्डिंग. It's as good as he's sitting on his desk, right? हम लोगों ने basically कहा था कि meetings ही reduce करनी पड़ेंगी.
People sometimes just go for a meeting at the drop of a hat, or we call people, अच्छा तुम आ जाओ ना presentation कर दो. So is this really necessary, or can this be taken care of digitally?
IP based phone हम लोगों ने बोला था कि you can even have a video conference between 2 guys, 3 guys over a phone only on your desk.
So, creating all these physical barriers and all this is very good for the confidence of the employee when he comes to office. He feels that my company is looking after myself. But for a larger perception, I think overall sterilization and sanitization of an office to be looking is a huge must.
You're throwing gems after gems. I'm listening.
So the part that we really loved was that UV sanitization of a physical space. So such kind of things can be used in offices. So at night after office working hours, the entire space is just disinfected of all the bacteria and the viruses. People can just imbibe and make it a practice. As you said that if a meeting room was engaged, then between that after the end of that meeting till the next meeting, that room has to be thoroughly disinfected, sanitized, maybe sanitized with UV light before the next meeting takes place.
ये तो आपके मेजर्स हो गए जब आप ऑफिस के अंदर आ गए, पर हम लोगों ने ये भी प्रपोज किया था कि ऑफिस के बाहर हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं. थर्मल स्कैनर्स, टेम्परेचर स्कैनर्स आर देयर एंड यू वॉक थ्रू द टनल एंड दैट्स हाउ यू आर स्कैन्ड. सेकंड, हम लोगों ने ऐप की इंटीग्रेशन भी कही थी दैट योर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ही विल गेट अ पॉप अप एन अलार्म दैट इफ ही इज कम फ्रॉम अ रेड जोन और अ हॉट जोन, so that at an initial level only that person can be screened.
But I think something very important that all offices can do, big or small, is keep a huge stock of masks, gloves and goggles. We've seen a very nice picture of a dispensing machine.
Yeah.
Instead of having drinks and snacks, it was a dispensing machine for masks and gloves. Something important is the correspondence, the letters, the parcels, the material that comes into any office space. So that has to be sterilized. They would do that. But there were also these UV kind of sterilization machines. So if you just pass a parcel through that machine, it automatically
almost look like X-ray machines with UV light tunnels.
I think in the long run, it should be a part of our life now till we find, the cure for the deadly virus.
Actually, I feel bad that, we have just barely touched the surface of the report that we actually made. It is so in-depth. TCS is planning to reduce their work from home force. They want to increase to 75% of their entire workspace capacity. I just want to ask you, what is your view on that?
I don't think it will be that great in the long run, because we are social animals. We need that human touch. I need to have chai and coffee with my colleague.
Team building ideas. Essence mein hota hai working ka actually.
So only time will tell. I mean, we can keep on debating this, but if you ask my preference, I don't mind work from home. But I don't mind it for maybe 2 days a week. The rest 3 to 4 days a week, I would really like to go out, meet people, interact.
अभी सब लोग experiment करेंगे. Some people will go drastic, overreact. Some people will underreact. But everybody will find a new median for their way of working. After all the dust settles in.
But I really think that workspaces will undergo a major change in the coming few months. And whether it's going to stay or not, only time will tell. But these are definitely some immediate measures that we need to do, and not so difficult.
So on this note, guys, we'll finish the Todd number 3 and we'll see you on Todd number
4.
Till then, goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care.